St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School haka South Rek Yayong kalapenlong ya annual school sports meet arajar arpusan masisngi hamadan donbosco mini stadium lajum khra Shillong. Kapang pedeng jongkani kalumpung kalong I can, I will, I must. Lasdang yakani sports meet da kajingduai balaya lam do pada rector Philip Barjo, vice principal St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Reverend Padar I Borlang Nong Sid, ula priang ngobha ya ki khana school ki kemi ki kpa kinong hikai bat ya baro ki blasha khot ngobha. Lapan her ya kalama jo ka annual sports meet da ka kongsan kong amprin lingdo. Haka jingkran ka kong amprin kala kentu ya ki kemi ki kpa bagian penslur ya ki khon ban mi madan ban pen iya laki sap ki pong haki kam sports kenang bagian la ban wanra nam bat buram tanya ladi hendrai ya ka jela baro kawe. Ki khana school na ki school baper kila shimban tashriak haka match pass. Haka program no sngi ka kong deiti majau MDC kala long ka kong san kila don hadu arpusan tli ki school ki balawan shimbenta haka ni ka annual school sports. Haka match pass ka school Tiny Tots kala ra ka first prize but ka Auxilium Girls High Secondary School kala wan baar. Nakalang ki shinrang ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School kala long ka Baningkong but ka Divine Savior High Secondary School nong Thamai kala wan baar.
Category. Judges for the march pass are personnel from the Meghalaya Home Guards. The band is the Bottom Wing Brass Band of the Meghalaya Home Guards, accompanied by the school band. The brass band is commanded by Inspector Backstar Minsong. Ladies and gentlemen, today's parade is commanded by the flag bearers. Following the color party is the Tots from St. Anthony's. The motto, be prepared. Approaching the saluting guys is the Shillong Sten placard bearer Araplam Khonsni. Their motto, Brian Karmalki. Their motto, in the game of life, efforts never quit. Leading the girls' contingent and knowledge. Following closely behind is St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, Commander Diamond Lamnalim, flag bearer,
Higher Secondary School, their commander, Daniel Lingo.
Finalists, All India Vijay Merchant Trophy 2024. A big hand for our athletes, ladies and gentlemen. The flame for 94th meet has been lighted by athletes, and this flame symbolizes the spirit of sports kept alive by St. Anthony's. Thank you, athletes.
And state arenas. Today, if you are a sportsman or woman, you are eligible to all kinds of assistance from the government of Meghalaya. Today, parents must know that if a child has an inherent quality to excel in a certain discipline of sports, you should not discourage your child, but instead you should come forward and assist your child to nurture and help the child excel so that they may reach to greater heights and earn for themselves not just fame and name, but also bring laurels to the state and the people of the state of Meghalaya. We are now seriously focusing on the infrastructure building to enable proper playing fields, arenas, stadiums for students across the state of Meghalaya. We have successfully conducted the district sporting events where several of our young citizens were given an adequate opportunity to display their talent and excellence in several sporting activities. Dear students, it is a fact that the state government is investing in all of you. This investment will enable all of us to profit and to grow as a state in the years to come. I look forward to all sport personalities in all educational institutions to be able to meet up to the national games that is going to be hosted by the state of Meghalaya next year. We will walk with you, we will walk the talk, and we will handhold every young talent who shows the potential to excel in sporting events. Dear Father, both Father Anthony and Father Ivor, thank you so much for inviting me to this very grand display of excellence in sports. And I hope to see that St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School continues to lead the
Sir. Sir.
Under 16 boys.